The new Xbox Game Bar Widget Store is going live today, but there's a catch. It won't be accessible to everyone at the moment. Only Windows 10 insiders can access the Widget Store by pressing Win+G keys at the same time. If you're an insider, you will see widgets for XSplit's Gamecaster, managing your live stream, chats, and more, and Razer's Cortex are already available for download. The Widget Store is standalone, and you will be able to access new widgets, update your existing ones, and manage everything related to them from the in-game overlay itself. The idea here is to make all essential features that a gamer needs accessible from the overlay. You don't need to exit the game to turn on or off a stream, optimize the games, and more.